Hi friends, Tanya here. I just slid all the way down this hill on my bottom so I could make it to the bottom of the Pyramid Lake Waterfall, and it's mostly frozen now. Let's take a look. So in the summer, the waterfall goes down the brook and then cascades down here. And then it keeps flowing down into the valley. And it's pretty much all covered with snow and ice right now. This is the end of March. So now I have to make my way all the way back up there. And underneath the snow, it's all ice. Okay, I'm going to leave you there. I got to put my gloves back on. It's 11 degrees Fahrenheit today. Really cold. And my hands are starting to go numb. But I thought you'd like to see what I did today on my walk in the woods. And we'll come back here again in the spring or summer. And I've shot a video here before, so you can take a look at that one and see what it looks like when it's not frozen. See you again soon.